quiet village of Windermere, nestled between misty hills and ancient woods, there lived an old clockmaker named Elliot. His little shop sat at the end of Cobble Street, filled with ticking wonders and the scent of cedar wood and brass. No one knew much about Elliot's past. He rarely spoke of it, but villagers swore his clocks were different. They didn't just tell time, they whispered it, hummed it, almost sang it. Some even said that if you listened closely at midnight, the clocks would stop for one heartbeat and whisper your name. One rainy evening, a young girl named Iris wandered into Elliot's shop. She was drenched, carrying only a broken pocket watch that had belonged to her grandfather. "Can you fix it?" she asked, eyes wide with hope. Elliot took the watch, peered into its rusted insides, and paused. His expression softened. This isn't just a watch," he murmured. "It's a time key." That night, under the glow of oil lamps and the chorus of ticking timepieces, Elliot told Iris the truth. About his past as a guardian of hidden timelines, about clocks that could turn back fate, and about the secret her grandfather had entrusted to the watch. As the storm raged outside, Elliot repaired the key. When he finished, he handed it back to Iris with a single warning: use it only once, and only for love. Years later, the village still speaks of the girl who vanished and the clockmaker who closed his shop the very next morning. No one saw either of them again, but every night, at exactly midnight, the clocks in Windermere pause for one heartbeat and whisper a name lost to time.